Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. April is Move More Month, and this video will highlight a nutritious recipe to help you get moving. Our cookbook highlight for this video comes from the NC Digital Library, titled The Everyday Heart Healthy Cookbook by Brianna Pooler. Our featured recipe is sweet potato tacos with Sriracha tahini sauce. For your ingredients, you will need sweet potatoes, red onions, coconut oil, white mushrooms, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, chili powder, tahini paste, coconut milk, sriracha, lime juice, honey, garlic, tortillas, lime, cabbage, cilantro, and avocado. Step 1. For the taco filling, place the sweet potatoes in a small pot of boiling water. Parboil them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they have softened, but not turned into mush. Drain the sweet potatoes and set them aside. Step 2. In a skillet, sauté the onions in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil until translucent. Add in the mushrooms and continue to sauté on high heat until the moisture from the mushrooms has absorbed. Add in the sweet potatoes, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and all seasonings. Sauté the filling until the sweet potatoes are browned and crisp, 8 to 10 minutes. Step 3. For the Sriracha tahini sauce, place all the ingredients in a food processor and process until the sauce is completely smooth. Transfer to a small bowl. Step 4. Heat the corn tortillas in a small pan with a tiny bit of neutral oil for about 30 seconds per side. Careful when flipping. Step 5. To assemble, spoon the filling on the corn tortilla, top with shredded cabbage, cilantro, and the Sriracha tahini sauce. All that's left is to squeeze fresh lime juice over the taco and enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.